Hello, my name is Monica, and I am a permanent makeup artist and brow artist based in Norwalk, California. So I'm back with another video this week, and the topic for this video is brow threading. So just a little disclaimer about this technique. I didn't learn it at school. I learned it on YouTube a little over a year ago, actually, from a fellow YouTuber, and since then I really like the technique. I feel really comfortable with it. I felt it was very easy, and I use it to thread my clients' eyebrows. I do just want to say, please don't use this technique until you have practiced. I highly suggest practicing on your thighs or someone else's arm hair before you go ahead and touch anyone's face. All right, so with that being said, let me show you this technique now. So here I am showing you the thread that I use. I will post a link in the description below. Go ahead and grab one side of the thread and secure it. You're gonna measure almost the length of your forearm. It could be shorter, it could be longer, depends on how big your hands are. It's kind of trial and error in the beginning, so you might have to make a few loops until you find the size you are comfortable with. Go ahead and create a knot at this point. All right, once you have that knot created, you're gonna put your hands through it. You are gonna secure the knot with one of your hands, and with the other, you are going to create about 20 to 30 loops. So once you have created these loops, you're gonna put your thumbs through it, turn your hands around, and you're gonna start with these hand motions you are seeing, back and forth, clawing one hand open, then the other. This movement is what's gonna help you remove the hair. So get comfortable with these movements, go back and forth, feel them out. That line that I just pointed to in the middle, that is where the threading magic happens. That's where the hairs get trapped in and they get pulled out. So just like wax, the threading must go against the hair growth. So if you are doing the right eyebrow, you want to thread going towards the left side, and vice versa. So here's that middle section I was telling you about where the hair gets trapped in. I wanted to show you behind a darker background so you can see. My countertop is white, and I know it didn't really allow to see the detail of it, but yes, that is where the hair gets trapped in and it gets pulled out. So thanks so much for watching it. I really hope it helped you out. Don't forget to like if you found some value in this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if it helped you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.